मैंने नहीं किया बात आपको ना, इसीलिए मुझे थोड़ा हिंदी में नहीं बाइकआउट नहीं, ये एजेंसी होती है, करवा देना।
New state assembly already in operation. हम इलेक्शन अनाउंसमेंट किए हैं. नॉमिनेशंस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 नवंबर 2013. डेट ऑफ पोल भी आपको मालूम है, ये 25 नवंबर 2013. इससे पहले अगस्त मंथ में कमीशन एक बार यहाँ आए थे टू रिव्यू पोल अरेंजमेंट्स. ये तो सेकेंड विजिट ऑफ द कमीशन इन कनेक्शन विथ पोल प्रिपेयर्डनेस. इस विजिट में लाइक वी डिड लास्ट टाइम द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज के साथ कल मीटिंग हुए. उसके बाद वी हैव रिव्यू विथ CEO, all district collectors, superintendents of police, DIGs, IGs, divisional commissioners, and other senior officers like Chief Secretary, DGP, then Home Secretary, etc., and also Finance Secretary. ये political parties meeting में commission को very constructive suggestions मिला. Parties gave very useful suggestions and also made some complaints. वो भी कमीशन ने नोट किया. इसमें there is a very interesting aspect. While ruling party complained about excesses in enforcement of MCC and expenditure control, the main opposition party complained about laxity in enforcement. They wanted the election machinery to make even more rigorous implementation of model code. Our misuse of government machinery, ये भी एक कंप्लेंट था by the party in power, and some of the other parties, they expressed their satisfaction about enforcement of model code. लेकिन उस parties भी our continuous vigil till the date of the election करने के लिए बोले. जो भी कंप्लेंट्स दिए हैं ना, उन सबको हम नोट किए हैं. आज डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिसर्स के मीटिंग में ऑल दोज कंप्लेंट्स वर शेयर्ड. उसके अलावा सम ऑफ द स्पेसिफिक कंप्लेंट्स हैव बीन गिवन टू द CEO to get specific reports, because some of the things they have to get inputs from field, from तालुका towns, district towns, etc. उसके लिए CEO को हम रेफर किए हैं. He will have to get reports in every individual case, based on which wherever CEO can take action, he will take action. Wherever it requires approval of the commission, we will give our approval for taking further action. So again, some of the parties, why most of the parties were complaining about mixing up of religion and politics. इन दोनों को mix करना. They wanted commission to take a very serious view and act against those who mix these two. So similarly, mixing up of caste sentiments with election, like political leaders attending caste rallies. They said commission should take a serious view, take action in all such cases. Or even cultural events like yoga, mixing yoga with politics, उसके बारे में भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज कंप्लेंट किए हैं. Generally, it is the policy of the commission during the election not to mix anything with politics. Politics alag hai, other things are separate. This is something which will be ensured. Though there could be some occasions of mix which will have to be dealt with accordingly. Some political parties, they complained about paid news. Paid news. They were also complaining about delays in giving pre-certification. वो भी हम डिस्कस किए हैं. अभी तो प्री सर्टिफिकेशन देने के लिए MCMCs को 48 आवर्स अभी तक टाइम दिए हैं. बट पार्टीज कंप्लेंड, why do you make us wait for 48 hours in every case? जिनमें yearly decision दे सकते हैं दे दीजिए. We have given instructions that as far as possible within 24 hours these decisions should be communicated for pre-certification. Preferably if somebody gives material in the morning, by the evening or by the night they should be in a position to take their approval and go, except where some law point is involved or where consultation with higher authorities is involved. Otherwise, try to give it the same day. That is the kind of instruction which was given in view of the urgency. There were also complaints about use of liquor. Liquor, most of the parties said liquor exercises maximum undue influence on voters. They said Commission should do everything possible to check the influence of liquor and cash. कैश के बारे में एक्सपेंडिचर मॉनिटरिंग मेजर्स जो भी हम कर रहे हैं आप लोगों को भी मालूम है. Other inducements in campaigning. So, in fact, some of the parties said ban liquor from the date of notification, from 1st November itself. Lekin all these have to be done only according to law. Where there is no provision in the law, we cannot really do that. Some parties also complained there were some damage due to flood, etc. to farmers' crops. Farmers are not getting compensation in the name of model code. हम लोगों ने clarify किया, model code does not stand in the way of relief for natural calamities. जहाँ भी natural calamities है, because of that अगर damage crops or human lives को होती है, there is no question of model code standing in the way. Model code itself is clear, no relief will be stopped by model code. And the Commission assured all political parties that every effort will be made to ensure free and fair elections and for strict enforcement of model code without any cliches. Last time हम आपको कुछ बेसिक स्टैटिस्टिकल डिटेल्स दिए हैं, उनको अपडेटेड डिटेल्स आप देना चाहता हूँ. टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्टर्स 4.65 crores. उसमें मेल 2.4, females 2.20 crores. We are happy to share with you, photo on electoral rolls is 100%. For the first time, Madhya Pradesh has achieved this 100% photos on electoral rolls, and also EPIC is also 100%. EPICs. Our अभी भी continuous updation is going on. Voters can still enroll until the last day of filing of nomination. Enrollment can go on provided application is filed earlier. Total number of polling stations 53,896. as against 46,892 in 2008 election. Commission has given instructions to all the officers to ensure that 100% of the polling stations are verified for amenities like a ramp for the physically challenged, drinking water in all the polling stations. We have also told them to ensure electricity in all the polling stations. These instructions have been given. These were reiterated to Chief Secretary also when he came for the meeting. Next. आपको मालूम है वोटर हेल्पलाइन 1950 काम करता है with 10 lines. It's working round the clock. Similarly, district helplines are also working. And webcasting 4,738 polling stations में ये webcasting होगा. We have started one exercise because there are complaints of intimidation of voters. उसके लिए vulnerability mapping exercise. जहाँ भी such threatened people, threatened voters live, that habitation, hamlet, उसको vulnerability habitation ऐसा classify करके उसमें जितना भी voters हैं, they will be treated as threatened voters, intimidated voters. उन लोगों के लिए special confidence building measures करते हैं. And on the day of the poll, हमारा mobile parties है ना, they will also visit each one of these vulnerable habitations to check with them personally if they still have any problem and help them to go and cast their vote. जिन लोगों से उनको threat आता है ना, that intimidation, उन लोगों पर cases like preventive sections of CRPC में action लेने के लिए भी instructions दिए हैं. 4,200 hamlets have been identified as vulnerable habitations. 1,54,000 voters are identified so far. फिर भी this is a continuous process. Election date तक this exercise will go on. 14,950 polling stations, they are classified as sensitive polling stations. उनमें special security, other measures will be done. 14,950. Totally 60 constituencies are identified as expenditure sensitive constituencies. उसमें we expect bigger role of money power. उसको meet करने के लिए special attention will be given. State में 974 flying squads, 974 flying squads और 1,004 static surveillance teams set up करके we will keep a watch on movement of cash, liquor and other inducements. The income tax department, they are keeping a special watch on flow of cash through airports. Air surveillance units, इसको कहते हैं, special watch through airports. They are also keeping a watch on money couriers and hawala operators. Special watch on them. And आपको मालूम है MCMC में it is operational in all the districts to track paid news. हमारा meeting with officers में हमने हर एक district profile in all these aspects उसको review करके we have satisfied ourselves that proper arrangements are made for the conduct of the poll. Main areas of the concern, as I have shared with you, is security in violence-prone areas like dacoit invested area, some bordering districts which are bordering Chhattisgarh, which are known Naxal districts. And Naxal districts in the state itself, वहाँ special नज़र रखने के लिए. Our vulnerability mapping, I have already explained to you. Facilitation measures in polling station, whatever facilities can be provided, that should be done, and expenditure monitoring and control measures. So, in short, to sum up, the following directions have been given to officers: strict neutrality and impartiality must be maintained in election management, and implement laws, rules, model code of conduct strictly, uniformly, and fairly. The need for training, it is not sufficient if district collectors know about rules and regulations. Everyone in the line, like Tahsildars, subdivisional magistrates, subdivisional police officers, everybody must be given proper training and orientation about correct enforcement of model code, and certification of political advertisements to be done as far as possible the same day. We have what is called non-bailable warrant against known rowdy sheeters, bad elements, people are accused of crime. उन लोगों को non-bailable warrants are issued. उनको enforce, execute करने के लिए strict instruction दिए हैं. In addition to this, in every constituency, at least there will be one quick response team, one unit of Central Police Force, which will be available in readiness under the control of returning officer and observers. Anyone who makes a complaint about movement of cash or liquor or some prohibited activity, immediately this unit along with other units will go immediately. It will have a crackdown effect. How I have already told you about static surveillance teams and flying squads. Our observers, we have for every assembly constituency one general observer. For every district there is one expenditure observer. In some districts there will be police observer. Inka names, telephone numbers, etc. will be widely publicized in local newspapers and also local cable TV channels. Proper deployment of security forces. We had some complaint from political parties in the past. Though CPF is available, that is not deployed, that will be kept idle. ऐसा रहने के लिए अभी no possibility. It will be ensured CPF is properly deployed. And single window clearance for all permissions to political rallies and campaign purposes. People who want permission for meeting, rally, etc., that should also be given single window. They need not go to different people. Within 24 hours, it should also be given. Sweep measures, voter awareness measures will be done during this period in a big way to improve voter turnout, particularly women's participation. State as a whole, there is a difference of about 7% between men's participation and women's participation as per the last election. इसलिए we have told all the district collectors to take special focus on women's participation in voter turnout. And urban apathy, generally people living in urban areas, municipal areas, cities, percentage of polling is generally relatively low. Special attention to focus on these things also. For all these things, this year, special central awareness observers are also sent to guide the field staff in all these voter awareness activities. Nota facility, none of the above. Nota will be implemented in all the polling stations in the state. For this, whatever facilities to be given, whatever training, motivation to be given to the staff, that will also be arranged. For the first time, Commission is giving instructions on social media. On social media, candidates and political parties, उनका expenditure on social media advertisement, it will have to be included in their expenditure statement. Secondly, social media में advertisement जो भी वो put out करते, that will also be subject to pre-certification. Material should be supplied for pre-certification, only then they should put it on social media. Meeting with Chief Secretary, DGP and other officers, whatever instructions we have given to the other officers, we have given it to the senior officers to see that they follow up in their reviews with officers. So in short, the Commission has a sense of satisfaction by and large about the arrangements made for conduct of elections in the state. However, the situation will be kept under constant watch. Commission will take all measures for free, fair, peaceful and participative elections in the state.